Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Apple gift card on Roblox. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use an Apple gift card on Roblox, you will first need to redeem the gift card balance on your Apple ID. Then you can use the Apple ID balance to purchase Robux or other items from within the Roblox platform. So to redeem Apple gift card, you need to go to the Apple store, and once you have done this, you need to log in your Apple ID, find the redeem option and enter the gift card. After you have done this, you need to simply go to Roblox website and go to the login option and get logged in. Then you need to simply click on Robux balance at the top of the screen, select Robux amount you want to purchase and choose Apple as your payment method. Once you have done this, you need to confirm your purchase and Robux will be added to your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many updating and interesting videos like this.